if you install Thunderbird through your package manager, your emails will be saved in this .thunderbird folder. So if you want to back up your emails, you just copy this folder to your backup place. In here, there are just some stupid folders that Firefox makes because there is no point in naming those folders in any sensible name, but okay. So if you start your Thunderbird and go to Help, Troubleshooting Information, you will see here under Profiles, there is About Profiles link. You click on it, and here you will see two profiles. The one that is in use will be with yes, and the one that it's not will be no. You can actually remove this one and delete all files. So now you have only one profile, and this is the name of your profile. You should remember that. You can also rename this profile. I will call it my profile. Just so it's easier for you to understand what you have, you will see it later. And you can see here, my profile is the name, and it's still this stupid folder name, but never mind. So I want to switch my Thunderbird to Flatpaks now. Now I will just install the normal Flatpak Thunderbird, and after that I will just remove the native installed Thunderbird and just install the Flatpak version. And if you go to your home folder under var app, you will see that there are no files for Thunderbird in here yet. For that, you have to start the Flatpak version, and as soon as you start it, you will see that this folder is created. And of course, you don't have any mailboxes. Now, I will just open this folder and downloads. That's where I put my Thunderbird from the native installation. And I will just copy all these files here and just override these two. So now that I start Flatpak version, I can just close this one and just go to Help, Troubleshooting Information, About Profiles in here. And you can see that my profile is here, but it's not a default. And this is just some random. And I will set this one as default profile. And now you can see that it's much easier to recognize that I have my profile than default something and not knowing which one it is. And then I can close this tab, restart the Thunderbird again, and now you will get this message that a new version of Thunderbird has created the mailboxes, and that's what happens when you are on Arch and they have a newer version than the Flatpak version. If you go and look up the Arch version, it's 145. And if you go to Flatpak version, you can see that it's 140 something, which is a big difference. And I don't know what Mozilla is doing and why all this has to be so complicated. But you could now say that you can just wait for Flatpak version to catch up or create new folders altogether. Or you can go to your var app or Mozilla Thunderbird, then to Thunderbird. And then remember when I said to remember that stupid name that Mozilla creates for profiles and folders? Well, you can look them here in this profiles ini. And now, luckily, I rename the profile to my profile, so I actually know which one it is, and it starts with H something. So now I know that this is my default profile, and here there is a file called compatibility.ini file, and I just delete it. Bye bye. Start the Thunderbird again, and now finally I have successfully transferred my emails to Flatpak version, and now you can just keep it there. Never go back to version that your distribution uses, because you won't have such problems. And now that Mozilla went super nuclear toxic on AI and stealing your data and basically become stealing spyware just as the rest of the applications, I decided to switch to Betterbird. Now they say they removed the telemetry out of the box, but not only that, they say they added some features that were requested in Thunderbird for years and never came to be, so to say. So how do you go about that? Well, the process is a lot simpler because they are also on Flatpak, the same version as Firefox. So for this, I will use completely new machine. Oh, and before I transfer everything to to Betterbird, I will of course delete unnecessary profile, just remove, delete files. Now I'm here on a completely new machine and I just copied that Thunderbird folder from the Pacman version of Thunderbird, and I will now install Betterbird. Now that is installed, I can go to my Vora folder, and I don't know why all this is installed, but you can see there is no Betterbird. I need first to start it once, and you can see it looks just like Thunderbird, and here the folder is created. Now I just go to my downloads folder and copy all these files, overwrite, and since this is my Pacman installation, I need to remove that compatibility ini file just so I don't have problems. And now when I start Betterbird, I go help, troubleshooting information, profiles, and I set my profile as default, and I will just close the Betterbird again and start it. And of course it will ask me again for permission to my Google account. I will just say allow. I can remove this profile and delete all files, and now I have only my profile, and this should transfer all your mailboxes, calendars, whatever you have stored in Thunderbird. And if I go to my home folder, and this is now how my home folder looks, and if you go to Thunderbird under profiles, you will see that root directory is still .thunderbird and the folder of my file, but if you go to open directory it won't exist. I don't know why this is not deleted, because it works from this directory now. And the reason why I'm moving everything to Flatpaks is because unfortunately a very few people are still making app images, and it's much easier for me to transfer all my data and configs with Flatpaks than the native packages. And I'm not distro locked for some specific version. As you can see, Arch has a lot newer version than even Flatpaks. Luckily this was easily changed with Thunderbird, but with some other application, who knows. And if nothing else, with Flatpaks all the configuration should be stored in .var app and just these folders. So all your data and configuration from Flatpak install apps will be in this folder, and you just need to back this one folder and you're done. And if you want to switch from Thunderbird Flatpak version to Betterbird Flatpak version, process is pretty much the same. You just go to .var app and Thunderbird, and you just copy this .thunderbird folder to Flatpak version of Betterbird, and that's all.